in a quiet little farm where mornings felt like magic. There lived a tiny kitten named Milo, and a graceful swan named Aurora. From the very first moment, she chose him. When the sun burned bright, she gave him shade. When it rained, she kept him safe. And when he was tired, she carried him. Together, they explored the world. They ate together and wandered side by side.
But one day,
everything changed. Milo couldn't swim, but Aurora saw him. She didn't hesitate. She saved him. They're just in time and carried him home. From that day on, they stayed closer than ever. Because true friendship means saving each other, no matter what.